My name is Jasmine Womack. I'm a wife, a mother, I'm a woman of God, and I am a trendsetter. I help authors, speakers, and coaches stand out as subject matter authorities on their topic and in their industry. And I do this by helping them to write and self-publish a best-selling book, and then I teach them how to turn their book into programs, courses, and premium priced coaching communities. For everyone, all of our LinkedIn lovers here, listen, Sheila is piping hot on LinkedIn, okay? And so how did your book help motivate or help, what should we say, help spur your content creation for LinkedIn?
I mean, it just clarifies everything for you. And coming from a corporate environment, there's already a lot of criticism and things going on, people evaluating, and always has an opinion, right? But what this did was helped me to keep focus with what I wanted my messaging to be. So it's another value of having your book. It really keeps you in line with your own alignment back to you. So now my messages are clearer. I'm just not, throwing something out there just as a post. It's tying back to my purpose of wanting everybody to consider their presence as an inside job. And here are some things to help you with that. And because we're so complex as a human and dealing with so many complexities in the world, how do we ensure that what we want for ourselves is the way that we're allowing others to experience that with us? So it really does help you stay focused. It does elevate your brand. I'm not going to lie. When I would reach out to people prior to the book, I did not get as much responses as even today. I've reached out to folks that prior to the book wouldn't even respond. And now I send a simple note, hey, love to connect. And immediately, instant connection. And not just a virtual connection, but I mean taking it further to wanting to have a conversation and build a relationship. It has definitely elevated my brand.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Womack. I'm a wife, a mother, I'm a woman of God, and I am a trendsetter. I help authors, speakers, and coaches stand out as subject matter authorities on their topic and in their industry. And I do this by helping them to write and self-publish a best-selling book, and then I teach them how to turn their book into programs, courses, and premium priced coaching communities.